Good morning po. May mantra po ba para sa nag-aaral or nagre-review po? Feng Shui can also be applied as studies tulad na nagtanong sa atin today. Kaya naman kung may quiz ka bukas, exam, reporting, or malapit na ang board exam mo, try these Feng Shui tips. Una, create a safe and special space sa bahay ninyo for studying. Pangalawa, make sure that when studying, you're in a command position. Pangatlo, when studying, avoid facing sharp objects. Pang-apat, have a lucky bamboo sa study desk mo. Panglima, activate the academic lock ng house by placing a lamp sa west area ng bahay. Pang-anim, place strings of red sa notebook or reviewer mo. And the most effective tip mga kapakbet is to have a greater focus and clarity when reviewing and taking your exams. In connection sa question, yes, may mantrang pwedeng sabihin before, during, and after review. Om Ahum Vajra Guru Padma Siddhi This is to purify your mind and enhance concentration. Good luck sa exams! Sana ay may natutunan kayong bago mula sa amin. Master Michael here, simplifying Feng Shui for everyone.